all and welcome back to my channel. I am Paige, and this week our craft is going to involve resin again because I received a bunch of silicone molds for Christmas from my wonderful sister Dana. Ding! Now these molds are all for light switch and outlet covers, and I'm pretty positive we're going to be making one for every single room in my house. But for now, we're going to dive right into these and we're going to play around with a few, and I am so excited, and if you are too, please continue watching. Now the package I was given actually has, I believe, 6 of these molds. There's a bunch for like flipper or dimmer switches. There's some that are just normal light switches. And then I also have an outlet cover. So we're gonna be doing this outlet cover and then this double light switch, and we're gonna be doing them in 2 different ways. First, for the outlet cover, I would like to add a lot of glitter. And I don't wanna just like mix it in with the resin. I kinda want it to be sparkling on top and then have the color underneath. So I have this silver fine glitter that I'm just gonna very gently, I'm gonna pour some in my hand, and then I'm gonna kind of sprinkle it about. Now for the big light switch cover, I would like to try to do the marbling method that we've tried before, but this time, rather than doing like a metallic color, I think we used gold last time, I want a color. And since my room is blue, I'm gonna do a shade of blue. Now, if you guys remember this method at all, we will be placing down alcohol, adding our color to it, and kind of marbling it using the heat gun as the alcohol dries and the color will stay in place. Okay, well, I guess there's something with this mold that it does not like using that method. I don't know if it's maybe not 100% silicone, and I don't know. But we're gonna wipe this out, see what else we can do. I guess instead we will just try to separate out our resin and do multiple colors and kind of marble it as we're pouring it. I guess let's get our resin mixed up. For the socket outlet, I'm gonna just be adding this peach red color to my resin. And for the big light switch cover, I'm going to make one of them a light blue and then one the dark blue color so we can marbleize it. Now you don't want to fill them too high because there are spots for the screws on each of these, but it looks like we're at a good height and we're just gonna let these cure. Our resin is cured, so we have demolded these covers, and we're gonna first look at the outlet cover. Here it is. Whew. You can see the nice sparkles. They're very present. And it's just a really nice kind of pinkish, corally kind of color. And it's transparent because we just used the alcohol ink. So I think this one is a really cute, simple one. And now it is time for our double light switch cover. I am so bummed that the alcohol ink and the alcohol kind of swirl didn't work the way that we've done it in the past. But here it is. Here was our second attempt. It's just different blues swirled together, and you can see a couple of the dark spots where that's from the alcohol ink left inside. And there are a few spots that are a bit more transparent up top, and down here you can see my hand pass through. But my wall is this color, so you're really not gonna see it once it's on there. And now that these are out of the mold, you can also see these are the holes, the screw holes that you wanna be careful when you're filling up your resin, that you don't wanna pour too high or you would have to re-drill through these. I luckily didn't have to. So here are some clips of these pieces out in the natural light. Thank you guys so much for watching this week's craft. If you enjoyed it, feel free to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. I usually post videos on Fridays. I also include all of the items I used in this week's video, as well as my social media in the description box below. I'll see you guys all for the next one.